Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics with Rishikesh. In the previous two videos we have evaluated the electric field intensity on a point on the axis of an electric dipole and the electric field intensity at a point on the perpendicular bisector of an electric dipole. Now today we are going to derive the formula of electric field intensity at any point due to an electric dipole, Okay, so let us derive the expression. Suppose this is the electric dipole. This is point A, point B, minus Q charge is here, minus Q charge is here. The distance between them is twice L. The distance between the two charges is twice L. We know what is electric dipole, a charge system of equal and opposite charges kept at a separation of some little amount. That is, both the charges of plus Q and minus Q are separated at a distance of twice L. This system is known as the electric dipole. So the electric dipole moment will be any of the charge into the distance of separation 2qL. P is equal to 2qL. This is the electric dipole and it is directed from the negative charge to the positive charge. Now we have to evaluate the electric field intensity at this point P. Suppose this is point P. O is the midpoint of this electric dipole and we have to evaluate the electric field intensity at point P. Okay. We have joined OP. Suppose this distance is R. OP is equal to R. Now, this is the electric dipole moment. Let us divide the electric dipole moment in two components. One along OP and the other is perpendicular OP and the other is perpendicular to OP. The component of electric dipole moment along OP is P cos theta, and the this component which is perpendicular to OP is P sin theta. So we have divided the electric dipole moment in two components. One is P cos theta along OP and the other is P sin theta in the perpendicular direction of OP. Okay, now P is such a point. This P is such a point which is on the axis of a dipole, whose dipole moment is P cos theta, and on the perpendicular bisector of another dipole whose dipole moment is P sin theta. I repeat, P is such a point which is on the axis of a dipole whose dipole moment is P cos theta, and at a point on the perpendicular bisector of this dipole moment P sin theta. Okay, now let the dipole moment due to this dipole of P cos theta is E1 and this is along PT. E1, this is along PT. Okay, and the dipole moment due to this dipole whose dipole moment is P cos theta is directed along PS whose dipole moment is E2, Okay, now the equivalent or the resultant dipole of these two dipole moments is along PR, is along PR. Now, suppose the net or resultant dipole electric field is E. Resultant electric field is E, and E1 and E2 are the electric field intensities due to these two dipoles. Okay. Now, we can say that the resultant electric field intensity is given by E is equal to the vector sum of E1 plus E2, or E square will be E1 square plus E2 square, or E is equal to root under E1 square plus E2 square. This is my equation number 1. Now, the electric field intensity at point P due to this dipole, whose dipole moment is P cos theta, is given by E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into 2p cos theta by r cube, and this is along PT, right? This is along PT, and the electric field intensity at point P due to this dipole, whose dipole moment is P sin theta, is given by E2 equal to 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into P sin theta by r cube, and this is along PS. This is along PS. Now from equation 1, from this equation we can write E is equal to root under E1 square plus E2 square. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into P by r cube into root under 2 cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square, and this resultant electric field intensity at point P is along PR, right? Now I am clearing this part. This is along PR. So E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into P by r cube root under 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into P by r cube root under. We know the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this will be equal to 3 into cos square theta. 3 into cos square theta along PR. So this is the resultant electric field intensity at point P, at any point P, due to an electric dipole. Okay. Now, if the surroundings medium is air medium or vacuum, we can write K is equal to 1. So if we put K equal to 1 in this equation, we will get E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into P by r cube root under 1 plus 3 cos square theta. Suppose this angle is theta, the angle made by OP with AB is theta, and this angle is phi. Angle RPT is equal to phi. Let angle RPT is equal to phi. Therefore, from this right angle triangle, from triangle RPT, we can write tan phi is equal to E2 by E1. Tan phi is equal to E2 by E1. E1 was 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 2p cos theta by r cube. Theta is this angle, and E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into p sin theta by r cube. Therefore, E2 by E1 is equal to E2 is p sin theta by r cube into r cube by 2p cos theta. So half into tan theta. So tan phi is equal to E2 by E1 is equal to half tan theta. This is the relation between E1 and E2 and the angles theta and phi. So this is all about the electric field intensity at any point P due to an electric field intensity, and the electric field intensity, the direction of the electric field intensity is along PR. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.